File shredders often fail to permanently delete corrupted files on Windows 10 11s, which is frustrating. The following methods can force delete these stubborn files so the data cannot be recovered. Part 1. Why is File Shredder not deleting corrupted files? On Windows, you often can't delete corrupted files or folders because they're locked by another program. The system wasn't shut down cleanly. The drive has errors or physical damage, or malware is interfering. Part 2. What to do when File Shredder is not deleting corrupted files. In this section, we will introduce 4 practical solutions to help you resolve the issue and permanently remove stubborn files with ease. Method 1. Fix file system via CHKDSK. If a file shredder fails to delete corrupted files due to disk errors, first run Windows CHKDSK to scan and repair the file system fixing directory, index, and corruption issues, which often restores normal deletion. Step 1. Press Windows +S and search for Command Prompt. Step 2. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Step 3. Type CHKDSK and press Enter. Replace C with the drive letter where the corrupted file is located. Step 4. Wait for CHKDSK to complete the scanning and repair process. The tool will automatically detect file system errors, repair damaged sectors, and fix logical disk problems. Step 5. Restart your computer if Windows asks you to schedule the disk check during the next startup. Step 6. After the repair is complete, try using File Shredder again to permanently delete the corrupted file or folder. Method 2. Force delete corrupted files using CMD. If repairing the file system does not solve the problem, you can try using Command Prompt to force Windows to delete the corrupted files. Step 1. Press Windows +S simultaneously, type CMD in the search box, and select Run as Administrator to launch Command Prompt with elevated privileges. Step 2. In the Command Prompt window, type del fqa file directory and press Enter. Replace file directory with the actual path of the corrupted file or folder you want to remove. For example, del fqa users love Jeet desktop infected. Text. F. Forces the deletion of read-only files. Q. Enables quiet mode and disables deletion confirmation prompts. A. Deletes files based on their attributes, including archive files. Step 3. Restart your computer and check whether the corrupted files have been successfully removed. Method 3. Delete corrupted files in safe mode. Safe mode starts Windows with only essential files and drivers, which can help prevent background programs from locking files. By entering safe mode, you may be able to unlock corrupted files or folders and delete them successfully. Step 1. Click Start Settings Update and Security Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now to access the Windows recovery environment. Step 2. Select Troubleshoot Advanced Options Startup Settings, and then click Restart. Step 3. When the Startup Settings screen appears, press F4 to start Windows in safe mode or press F5 to enter safe mode with networking. Step 4. After Windows starts in safe mode, locate the corrupted file or folder and delete it using Delete or Shift+Delete. Step 5. Restart your computer. Normally, Windows will automatically exit safe mode. After rebooting, check File Explorer or your desktop to confirm that the corrupted file or folder has been removed. Method 4. Wipe corrupted files via Coolmuster Data Erasure. Coolmuster Data Erasure is a simple, secure Windows file shredder compatible with Windows 11 10.8.7 that permanently deletes corrupted files or folders by overwriting them, making recovery impossible. Step 1. Launch Coolmuster Data Erasure and select the file shredder mode to permanently remove corrupted files from your Windows computer. Step 2. Add the corrupted files or folders that cannot be deleted normally. Then browse your computer and select the specific items you want to erase. Step 3. Click Erase Now and confirm the operation. The selected corrupted files will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered, so check the file list carefully before erasing.